Okay, so you're almost there. But before you move on, let me ask you a quick question. How would you like to turn this opportunity into a true six-figure income stream? I mean, how would you like to maximize your profits by offering ADA compliance service for as much as $4,000 to $15,000 per website and get more clients on board than you can handle? The truth is, the demand for ADA compliant websites is on the increase, and right now, you've got access to ADA Bundle, which helps render any website ADA compliant in literally minutes. Also, I believe you picked up the ADA Bundle Pro Unlimited plan, which gives you unlimited access to use ADA Bundle for an unlimited number of websites and clients. Now, if you didn't pick up that upgrade, then I advise you go back and do so right away, because I won't even wish my enemy to miss out on the low one-time pricing. Now, with those two under your belt, the only thing left to figure out is how you can start closing clients that'll pay you handsomely for your service. Would you like access to an absolutely stunning and exclusive ADA marketing package to help you close more clients, charge more for your service, look more professional, and generate more revenue? Well, if your answer is yes, which I'm sure it is, then this opportunity is for you. Presenting ADA Bundle Agency and Consultant Toolkit. Now, what is included with this agency edition, and how can it help you land more clients and make more money? First, you'll receive your very own ADA Bundle Agency license, which officially accredits you as an ADA Bundle Agency Consultant. 2, you'll get access to your own ADA Bundle Agency dashboard. From here, you can create and manage ADA Bundle client accounts for every client or prospect you ever close. Next, you'll get access to a done-for-you and ready-to-go prospecting kit that includes a proposal presentation, a professional agency website, ads creative, stunning graphics, and more. And here's the kicker. With this agency license, you can fully customize each PDF compliance report you generate. Remember, with ADA Bundle, you can create beautiful website compliance reports that you can send out to prospects. But with your current access, the report is generic. With this agency license, you can add your own logo. You can add your business information and even your own call to action. Full customization. And don't forget, you get the prospecting kit as well, which comes with a done-for-you ready-made agency website worth $497, done-for-you proposals, PowerPoint and Word worth $497, done-for-you print-ready commercial graphics templates worth $497, done-for-you highly optimized cold call email sequence worth $497, done-for-you high-converting telemarketing scripts worth $297. Done-for-you Facebook Ads Creative worth $497. A done-for-you legal contract worth $297. You can see the full details of these assets below this video. One thing we can both agree on right now is that business owners need help with ADA optimization, and with this agency license and package, you'll be in the best position to land clients quickly and efficiently. In our research, we reached out to 10 different web design companies, and on average, they charge a minimum of $4,000 for the most basic ADA optimization service. Imagine signing up just 2 clients at this rate this month. That's a nice $8,000 in pure profits for only a few minutes of work. So, if you want that to be your reality in a few days, then don't sleep on this opportunity and do the following right now. Check out all the info and the demo video on this page. Once you're done, make sure you click the button below to upgrade to the ADA Bundle Agency Edition right away. I encourage you to do it now. Everything is already included for you to be successful. This is perfect for local marketers, consultants, agencies, and online marketers. Really, it's for anyone who'd like to finally generate easy revenue online. So go ahead and click the button below to add this to your account, and we'll get this set up in your members area immediately. Go ahead and take action now.